Welcome back to our online classes. I hope all of you are prepared in our previous portions. In our last class, we discussed the problems about identities. I think all of you are thorough in all identities. There are 10 identities for us. Okay, all of you prepared, all of you will study our identities. You must by heart, you must understood all identities and the applications of that identities. Okay. Today we are going to do some problems about identity and extra questions. I already told you we have a limited period of time. Within that time, we can try, we do maximum questions for you. Okay. Next question. Next one is cubic polynomial factorization. Up to expansion of cubic polynomial, we done our previous classes. Okay. Do more problems. Do more problems. If it is right or wrong is the secondary part. Do more problems. Then you can easily clarify or easily understand our concept and things. Identities are the main thing in polynomials. The application of identity in you already 10th standard 11 plus 2 all classes. So study deeply, study carefully. Okay. First question. Factorize 8a cube plus b cube plus 12y square b plus 6ab square. So we know it's an expansion of the cubic identity. Then we find which identity. Which identity? We have cubic identity, 5 cubic identities, a plus b the whole cube, a minus b the whole cube, then a plus b plus c the whole cube minus 3abc, then a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube. Which identity here? The expansion is identity. Which one? Is 2 perfect cubes are here. 8a cube and b cube. So this is on a plus b the whole cube or a minus b the whole cube, but all the terms are positive, so it must be in a plus b the whole cube. What is the expansion of a plus b the whole cube? A plus b the whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You can write b cube on last or whatever you like you can write. All terms are positive, so ഈ കേസിൽ സൈനിന്റെ കാര്യത്തിൽ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ വേണ്ട. പക്ഷേ a minus b the whole cube ആകുമ്പോൾ b cube മാറിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ b cube ന്റെ സൈൻ നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണെന്ന് ഓർക്കണം. Okay, first we have to find a and b here. The value of a, first to 8a cube. This is in the form a cube. Then what the value of a? A equal to, what is the value of a? A equal to cube root of 8 to cube root of a cube a. Here a is 2a and b is b also. Okay, now we can write the expansion form. First one, a cube 2a the whole cube plus b cube plus 3a square b, 3 into a square 2a the whole square into b is b here plus 3ab square 3 into ab square, a equal to 2a b square. You can check this value is right. 2a the whole cube, 2 cube 8 and a cube a cube. Okay, this is our identity step. You must write this step and this step is valid for our valuation. Valuation is step on okay, mark it through. And you must write the identity on the right side on each problem. Okay, now we can write our identity form. A plus b the whole cube, a is 2a and b is b, a plus b the whole cube, and you must write 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. I already told you a given question is a cubic polynomial. You must write in reduced form. Factorize means reduce the degree of the polynomial. It's a cubic polynomial. Reduce the polynomial into a linear factors. Okay. Second question, 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Okay. ഏത് ഐഡന്റിറ്റി ആണ് കാണുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ മനസ്സിലാക്കണം. Which is one? This is a minus b the whole cube. There is two negative terms and the perfect cube term is negative and a square b term is negative. Therefore, this is a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube. Next one, minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is expansion. We can write the b square in the last. Okay, first we find the value of a and b. Here 64a cube in the place of a cube. So what is the value of a? A equal to cube root of 64. 64 is cube root of 4. And 4a is the a and b equal to 27b cube. 27 is the cube root of, cube root of 27 is 3b. So we find a and b. Now we can write the identity form. A cube, that means 4a the whole cube minus 3b the whole cube, 3a square b, 3 into a square, 4a the whole square into b plus 3ab square, 3 into a into b square, 3b the whole square. Okay, now we can write the identity form. A minus b the whole square is 4a and b is 3b. 4a minus 3b the whole cube. Then write 4a minus 3b, 4a minus 3b, 4a minus 3b. Okay. Okay, next question. Verify x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Did you see the thing anywhere? Yes, this is one of the identity for us. Okay. We already studied a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So we want to prove the thing. Okay, verify means you want to prove the LHS equal to RHS. Here LHS left hand side, LHS x cube plus y cube, and RHS. This is what RHS x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So you multiply the thing. Okay, first you multiply the x into x square, next x into xy, and next x into y square. So x into x square, x cube, x into minus xy minus x square y, x into y square plus xy square. Next y into x square plus yx square, y into minus xy minus xy square. Next y into plus y square, y cube. Which terms are cancelled here? Minus x square y plus yx square. X square y and yx square both are equal. X square y and yx square both are equal. One is negative, one is positive. Both terms are cancelled here. Xy square plus xy square minus, both terms are cancelled here, and our answer x cube plus y cube. Okay, therefore LHS equal to RHS. Our question is verified. Okay. Second question, verify x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Our next identity. നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് സമയമുള്ളൂ, അതാണ് ഫാസ്റ്റിൽ പോകുന്നത്. ഒരുപാട് പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്ത് തീർക്കാണ്. ഓക്കെ, വെരിഫൈ മീൻസ് LHS equal to RHS. LHS x cube minus y cube and RHS x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So you multiply x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. First x into x square, x cube, x into plus xy plus x square y, x into y square plus xy square, minus y into x square minus y x square, minus y into xy minus xy square, minus y into minus y plus y square, that is minus y cube, x square y and yx square. X square y and yx square are equal, but one is positive and other is negative. Cancelled. Here plus xy square minus xy square, both are cancelled. Our answer x cube minus y cube. Okay, therefore LHS which is equal to RHS. Our question is verified. So next question, factorize 27y cube plus 125z cube. This is which identity form this is? Yes. At first look we find the identity form is a cube plus b cube. Two cubes are added, that means a cube plus b cube. There is plus the a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube. What is the expansion? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. Then you first find a and b. A equal to 27y cube. Cube root of 27 3. Cube root of y is y. B equal to root of 125. Root of 125 is 5. Root of z cube is z. So we find a and b. Then we write a cube plus b cube. That means 3y the whole cube plus 5z the whole cube, which is equal to identity form a plus b into 3y plus 5z into a square 3y the whole square minus ab 3y into 5z plus 5z the whole square, that is equal to a plus b into 3 by the whole square 9y square minus 5 into 3 15yz plus 5 square 25z square. Okay. Next question, factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. This identity form ആണ് കണ്ടറിയാം. Sum of 3 cubes minus 1 tail. Thus this is in the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. What is the expansion? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus abu minus bc minus ac. First you find the value of a, b and c. So 27x cube, therefore a equal to root of 27 3. Root of x cube x, a equal to 3x. B equal to y cube, therefore b cube equal to y cube, b equal to y, c equal to z. Now we can apply. Therefore our question is 27x cube will be 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, 3 into a into b into c, 3 into 3 9 xyz. Okay, so for our identity form, that is equal to a plus b plus c, that means a equal to 3x plus y plus z into a square 3x the whole square plus b square y square plus c square z square minus ab, a equal to 3x into b equal to y minus bc, y into z minus ac, 3x into z, that is 3x plus y plus z into 3x the whole square 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം ഒരുപാട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചെയ്യുക എങ്കിലേ ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള ഐഡന്റിറ്റികൾ നമുക്ക് എളുപ്പമാകും. ഫസ്റ്റ് കാണുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ മനസ്സിലാക്കുക ഏത് ഐഡന്റിറ്റി ആണെന്ന്. അതിനുശേഷം ഐഡന്റിറ്റിയുടെ ഫോം എഴുതി നോക്കുക. എല്ലാ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലും ഐഡന്റിറ്റി എഴുതിയിരിക്കണം. Then find the value of a, b, c. Then apply the identity. Okay, exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5 question number 8 and 10 homework for you. അതിൽ ഒന്ന് രണ്ട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഞാൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ചെയ്യാത്ര മാത്രം ചെയ്യുക കേട്ടോ. എക്സസൈസിലെ മാക്സിമം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് നമുക്ക് ഐഡന്റിറ്റിയുടെ എക്സ്ട്രാ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് കുറച്ചുകൂടി ചെയ്യണം. Okay students, today we conclude our class. We will see you on the next class. Study deeply this section. This is an important section of polynomial. Okay, താങ്ക് യു.